Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial for Microsoft Office 365. This one is all about method number 2 of sharing your work with your teacher. Okay, this is all about using OneDrive. We'll set up OneDrive for you, we'll organize it, and I'll show you how to share it with other people. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so what you're going to need to do is get yourself into office.com like so. Get yourself into OneDrive right here. Click on that and you're going to see something that looks a bit like this. Now I've already set up this one, but I'll show you what to do. You're going to have a blank screen, so what you want to start off with, unless you've used it before, what you want to start off with is go up and click new, click on folder, and you're going to type in term 3. Okay, you're going to hit create, and then you're going to click on there, and then in here you're going to create a new folder again, and you're going to create week 1, and you can go ahead and create a couple more, week 2, week 3, you get the idea, so on and so forth. Hopefully we'll be back after week 5, but who knows. Alright, now before you do anything else, what I want you to do is have a look over here, see where it says sharing. It all says private, so we're going to have to change that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into, for you it will be files. Okay, so just click on that, back into here, and I'm going to click on term 3, highlight it. There's a few different ways of doing this. I'm just going to tick that and go up to share, and you'll get this box here, and at the moment it says people can view. Now if you share it like this, then people can have a look, but they can't change anything, and that's not what we want in this situation. What you want to click on is here, people can allow editing. So you're going to click on that box, hit apply, and now people you specify can edit. Okay, so I want you to go and start typing your teacher's name. It should pretty much come straight up, I would imagine. So for example, if it's me, just start typing in Ivan, and there I am. Or it might be Miss Webb. You can do their last name as well. There you go. It might be Mr. Yasunaga. There's only one Heath. Or there might be Miss Caruso. It is Jezepina M. Caruso. Or it might be Miss Starr. Linda L. Starr. Or it might be, who else have we got? Beth McMullen. Yep, there it is, McMullen. Or it might be Mr. Knox. X. Daniel P. Or, and for the moment, it might be Miss Anderson. So, oh no, it's not Sue, it's Suzanne. There we go. Susan E. Anderson. Okay, then you hit send, and that sends them off a message to their email to say that you've shared it. Okay, I'm going to hit that, and they're all going to be wondering why I've shared it with them. I'm sure they'll find out. Okay, so now we've got term 3 should be shared. That hasn't changed yet. Let's just do a little refresh. Hopefully it comes up. There we go. Now it's shared. Now I can click on this and it should say who it's shared with. There we go. These are all the people that it's shared with. Cool. And you can add to people if you click on that one as well. Alright, that means that every single thing that I now put in here will be shared with your teacher. Okay, so now that we've set that up, yep, I just got an email from myself saying that I'd shared this folder with myself. Cool. Alright, next thing. Now you've already been putting work onto your computer and sending it to your teacher. The next thing that you want to do right now is upload. So we're going to put work from your computer and put it into the cloud, okay, into OneDrive. So we're going to hit upload, going to go to Files, and you're just going to find wherever you've saved your work. Probably, I'm guessing, will be on your desktop or Documents. I've got an example one here saved, so I'm going to hit Open, and that will open that up, and I can still see here that that's all shared because we've got Term 3 folder is shared. Okay, so you don't have to do anything more. You don't have to share it with your teachers. It's already accessible. Okay. Now this is where we want you to store all of your work. Okay, you can change your work from here. You can work on it online. If I click on it here, and it opens up here, and I can start putting work in. I'll delete that. And the cool thing is, notice how there's no save button. It's because you don't need to save it. Every change that you make is saved automatically. Okay, so I'm going to close that. And that's been automatically saved, and that's in. Alright, now here's the second part that's very, very important. Alright, this is about checking whether you've got OneDrive on your computer as an application in the same way that you've got Word and Teams and stuff like that. Okay, so what you need to do is go down to your file. You're going to look down the side here, and right here you should see something that says OneDrive. Now, if you have the cloud symbol, that means you can click on it, and it will ask you to log in. So just use your Office 365 login details, your username at schools.vic.edu.au. Yeah, that's right. And your password, and then you will get everything that you did. So you have the Term 3, it'll show that it is shared, and you've got your week 1, and there's your week's 1 work, and you can open that one up in Microsoft Word, and again you'll see the autosave is on, so that means anything that you change will be automatically saved. Yeah, so I can close that, don't have to save it, automatically saved. Awesome. Okay, if you don't have that cloud, if you don't have that symbol, if it looks like a square boxy sort of thing, then you don't have the up-to-date version of OneDrive. So you then need to go back into here, okay, where you had OneDrive from Office. So it's office.com, hit on OneDrive, and you'll get to here, and down the left hand side you will see get the OneDrive apps. You need to click on that. You want Australian English, it's much better. And then you need to hit download the application. Okay, you can see I've already done it because I've been showing people how to do it. Then what you want to do is click that little arrow, show in folder, and then right click and run as administrator, and then you want to hit yes. I'm not going to do it because obviously I've already got it. Then you can follow all the prompts, just keep on hitting yes, next, and I agree. No matter what it is, obviously. You know, that's partially a joke, you know, but for OneDrive, you can agree, okay? Then you should find that OneDrive, that little signal sign will become a cloud, and then you can click on it, sign in, and you can access everything, okay? As you can see, I've got a hell of a lot of stuff on here. Makes it much, much easier. Okay. That way, okay, last thing. When you've got it on your computer, that means you can go into remote learning, click on the day that you want to save, that you want to get your work for, and instead of saving it in your downloads or your desktop, you can scroll down, scroll up, and find your OneDrive, okay, and find the spot that needs to go in, week 1. Now that's Friday, don't forget to put your name on it, Ivan, and save it. Beautiful. And then all you need to do is just open it up straight from there. Go back in here, Term 3, week 1, there it is. And I can access it from there. I can access it from online as well. So if we go back into OneDrive, where did it go? There it is. Oh, hasn't updated. Let's just do a quick refresh. Beautiful. There it is. Okay, so I've got Friday. So then I've got all of my work organized in one spot, and this makes it so much easier for everyone. Hope that helps. Ask any questions that you've got in your classroom Teams folder in the posts, and I'll catch you later.